how to pin your location in Google Maps. So I want you to open your Maps, and here make sure you have turned on your location. So what you can do is, in order to pin a location, just tap on one of the location. Let's say I'm gonna tap on this location. So this is directly meaning that I'm pinning my location. So you may just use this directions option in order to get to that place, or you may also add a different kind of pins, like tap on more and add a label for it to make it convenient to make it easier for you to reach there. Or you may just save this location as well. Just tap on the save icon and it will be saved. You can see this favorites, want to go, travel pins, stared places, etc. Just tap on done and that location will be saved into your account. Just go to see list, and whenever you try to go to that place, just tap on the save list and you should be able to navigate the place using this Google Map. So therefore, in this method you can use Google Maps in order to pin location. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.